Good morning, students and staff. What a wonderful Monday morning. I'm Mrs. Stein coming to you from our Media Center.
Hey, good morning, everybody, and I am Mr. Fletcher. I am coming to you live from Miss Trendell's classroom.
It's a new day, it's a new week, and we are in a new quarter of the school year. So we wanted to stop and talk about all the accomplishments that we've achieved in the last few months. You've learned how to access your Google Meets and learn along with your classmates and your teacher on the computer.
Wow, we were thinking about it too, and you guys have all learned how to be successful as we're using Schoology now, and you've learned how to submit all your assignments in one place.
You've learned that even though we need to be apart and wear our masks for safety, you've learned how to stay connected and share your thoughts, your ideas, and your learning with each other.
It's also really important to think about how far we've come, and we are so excited and impressed with how your teachers have been able to keep learning exciting, fun, and engaging even though we're not together in the same classroom.
That's a lot of things, Mr. Fletcher.
Sure is.
That was easy.
Way to go, boys and girls. Way to go, teachers. We are so proud of you. But the work's not over, is it?
It is definitely not over yet. We just wrapped up term 1 and we're ready to head into term 2, and we are ready and primed for success.
I think it's going to be great. How about you, Mr. Fletcher?
I think it's going to be fantastic. I think we are ready to enter the new term. We're excited. We're ready to go, and we're ready to keep the amazing things that we've had in place, and we're going to continue to move forward. And we feel like we are ready to be walking on sunshine, Miss Stein.
We sure are. Who's with us?
Are you all with us? We're ready to do this together. And we have a little song that we'd like to play a little clip of to remind us that we're ready to do it together. And we are indeed walking on sunshine together. And we couldn't do it without you.
The sun sure is shining on us at the creek.
It's always sunny at the creek.
Boys and girls, have a great day. Have a great week. Here we go.